Hello everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and review Dlink EXO AC3000 Smart Mesh Wi-Fi Router DIR 3060. So let's get into it. Let's quickly unbox and discuss the top features of this router. DIR 3060 gives you luxury of lag-free buffer slaying, video streaming and online gaming. Crazy fast combined Wi-Fi speeds of up to 4000 Mbps on 2.4 GHz network and 866 Mbps on a 5 GHz band to 1733 Mbps on the third 5 GHz network. It keeps malicious threats at bay and safeguards online privacy with its built-in powerful McAfee protection for every device on your network. It works with Google Assistant and Alexa, which gives your smart home Wi-Fi a new voice. You can easily monitor your kids' internet activity with comprehensive parental controls. It provides advanced Wi-Fi mesh, helping you to create a seamless mesh network by adding DAP-1820 Wi-Fi extenders. It easily handles everything you throw at it with high-power 880 MHz dual-core processor. Setup is very easy using the free Dlink Wi-Fi app from your smartphone. I'm currently using my ISP modem along with the Dlink core mesh for Wi-Fi. I will replace the ISP modem and connect the DIR 3060 directly with my fiber ISP connection and then test the Wi-Fi and the internet connection speed using the DIR 3060 networks. Final words, I'm quite impressed with the Wi-Fi speeds and the features of this router from Dlink. The McAfee 5-year free protection is an amazing added bonus and I love the parental controls on it. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review requests and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.